In this video, I'm going to show you a major update to a free tool that we have called the Nested Spin Syntax Generator Tester. You put any article you want in here. And previously what the program did was it made it easier to create spin syntax, because when you selected words or phrases, brackets would be put around and then you could put your own spin syntax. Well, now what the program does is it actually offers Spintax suggestions, and you can make it so brackets are not inserted if spin syntax suggestions are found. You just grab whichever one you want. And there's a spin syntax replacements offered for a lot of words and phrases. So really creating spun content is going to be a lot quicker using this tool. And it is still 100% free. And then anytime you want to test your output, you just click the spin button and you get different potential outputs displayed here, so you can test how the output is and make adjustments to your spinning work. Real time saver when it comes to creating spun content, and spun content does still work as long as it is done thoroughly enough.